Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall. This is your girl Lex, giving you the best of the best and the real of the real. As we all know, Hurricane Melissa left many families devastated from the effects of it. It's been over a month since the devastation has occurred, and the fight for our people still continues for relief efforts and aid. While the Jamaican government has been aiding those in need, Jammin' Events, Rvssian Radio, and Roadblock came together to put on a relief concert called Jamaica Strong, which will be December 12th at UBS Arena in New York.
One unforgettable night of unity, culture, and music for the cause. Net proceeds support families rebuilding after Hurricane Melissa. Tickets available at Ticketmaster.com. Call 800-277-1462 for info. Presented by Jammin's Entertainment. Rvssian Roadblock in association with Consulate of Jamaica. Jamaica Strong New York is part of the I Love Jamaica Concert.
Buying a ticket means that you are supporting those in need and helping Jamaica get back strong once again. As we all know, Tommy Lee and Masicka have been feuding for the last week and a half, and that has stirred many pots. This hour, I move with top speed, so I had to just pause, make a scoreboard, so you guys can view all these songs on YouTube and make your decision on who took each round. For those who aren't quite clear on who's on what side, we also broke down the org chart to see who's on Tommy Lee's side and who's on Masicka's side. As you can see, Sean Storm's gang and recently added Black Rhino is on that side, and standing firm on Masicka's side is Joshi. Stay tuned for more updates. The irony is that right around the corner is supposed to be Sting 2025. And with that being said, Sting had posted this on their Instagram. While there hasn't been any time, location, or venue for Sting of 2025, it's still stated in their bio, as you can see here, December 26th. And as of recent, they confirmed that they will not be having a show due to the hurricane, but was considering it due to the current lyrical clash. Definitely gives me the vibe of some type of clashing concert. Masicka also will be releasing an album for the GAZA called Her Name Is Love with Def Jam. This project is set to release December 19th. It seems like the two hottest dancehall producers are currently at odds right now. Rvssian made a post on X debating if he should drop a new rhythm for December. DJ Matt commented on Quest Time's post saying, "Not now," and hashtag the What You Feel Like rhythm. Rvssian followed up in another comment on another post on Quest Times and stated, "Boy a coward." This led to a little back and forth on social media, of course. Rvssian still previewed his rhythm, asking the audience who should be on this rhythm, while DJ Max continued to add more artists on there. And Valiant has done it. He has proved everyone wrong and sold over 10,000 tickets for his latest tour. And of course, with the greatness and success of this tour, he turned around and followed up with a deluxe tour, Passenger Princess, during the Valentine's Day weekend. As of right now, there's only 3 dates, and of course one of them is in New York City. Armani will be releasing a new EP under United Masters called The Impact. The 16-track EP includes a few well-known dancehall artists, including Jada Kingdom, Molly, and more. And of course, it has his latest hit single, BBB, Snapchat, which the gal dem love, but me not like. He ate with that. Dancehall artist Squash has officially been sentenced to 2 years and 3 months in U.S. federal prison. He was initially facing up to 10 years in prison due to having a modified firearm. Meanwhile, his father, Aaron Whitaker, has also been detained by ICE after attending a hearing regarding his status. Reggae Fest CEO CJ Milan has officially broke her silence regarding the Movado concert that would be held in Jamaica. It has officially been canceled, of course, due to the effects of Hurricane Melissa. You can pause to read to see the detailed explanation and what steps will be taking place next. It's also good to note that on their website, all ticket holders have received a refund for this event as well. But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Thank you for tuning in each and every time we post these videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow us on all platforms. So that's Threads, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. Thank you guys. Bye.